Princess, I will continue to say this. Call up England, call up the biggest prosecutor anywhere in the world. I will stand up and tell you my own truth. I'm a custodian of human rights. It is a criminal offense to coach a minor or a child for sexual activity. It is punishable with life imprisonment. The same law, if you try Baba Ijesha, in the same law, you know, so pé until what princess is to gbé ọmọ yẹn jókòó to kó sí lórí pé hello Baba Ijesha tí ń bọ̀ pakuru mo jẹ́ kó rí pé o fẹ́ o náà kó jẹ make sure pé o force gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ṣe mentally jẹ́ kó rí pé o kóhun jẹ títí tó máa fi ṣe kíni onímọ̀gá tó máa fọwọ́ ṣáà jẹ́ kó ṣe àwọn máa record. Asking an innocent child or minor to be in such situation is punishable with life imprisonment. Unto a Lagos state government court profile against the princess, yet they said she should walk free.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí níbi tá a ti máa fún yín ní ìròyìn lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan pàápàá jùlọ lórí ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórílẹ̀‐èdè wa Nàìjíríà. Eléyìí tá a mú wá lónìí gbáǹkọ́gbì ní o ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wò ó ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má gbàgbé ẹ bá mi wò sàlẹ̀ níbi tí wọ́n kọ subscribe sí ẹ kílíkì lé subscribe button yẹn ọ̀fẹ́ ní subscription kò sẹ́ni tó máa jáwọ́ yín ọwọ́ yín tẹ́ fi bá wa tẹ subscribe ní orúkọ Jésù ẹ ò ní fi gbé ọmọ sí ẹ ò ní fi gba lẹ́tà ìbànújẹ́ o.
Secondly, that CCTV that princess claimed that went on install or camera to look, she knew what she wanted to achieve. It's a premeditated recording under the law, the same law of Lagos State, child protection laws. It is a criminal offense to record sexual activities involving a child or a minor. It is not a law that I was creating then. And YOMI doing the basic knowledge of the law. They are only using social media to draw out unnecessary sentiment and not objectivity just to be loved. I am not looking for anybody to love me. I am standing by what is right. If you don't know the law, you can't enforce it. I'm your law. So the next thing I said, then that asking, recording and taping it down is a serious criminal offense punishable with life imprisonment. That if the girl is truly 14, princess, you're still going to be paying for this. If the girl is now 14, try Baba Ijesha for touching and kissing, licking the finger of a 14-year-old. Whether it was a trap or no trap, the statement was so clear. But it must be well established. Kini Baba Ijesha wa ṣe lulẹ̀. Did you, princess, invite Baba Ijesha to that house or not? Most of these things, the media did not tell you guys. Until if you Google, or now, if you Google and say, how Baba Ijesha was lured to my house, go and read it online now. You see the princess statement inside court. You see the excerpt. How she was able to invite Baba Ijesha for a movie stuff in her house. The question is this: when has it become part of our law? If truly you believe that Baba Ijesha will abuse or hurt that child, said the debt we owe every child is protection. But these terrible women and the justice system in Lagos State, they believe to satisfy the social media and the crying of these women as against the complete rule of law. One was select part of the law. Okay. When Baba Ijesha was arrested, he never slept with that girl. They kept Baba Ijesha in cell. Police said, let's do our job. It is our duty to investigate and run a test on that girl. Just the way police wanted to run tests on this girl, Mirabel, and the truth was established. They said, princess, bring the girl, she's 14. We cannot take her behind you. When they took the girl for a test, the test said, healing broken hymen, that the girl was just recently disvirgined. So it means that the reason why princess set Baba Ijesha up was on a total lie. Baba Ijesha never disvirgined the girl when she was 7. Not to talk of using key to disflower car key or to uproot, because one of our is there any mark in our private that will show as a result of car key? They now said, apart from healing broken hymen, they found semen on what bas sperm need the money, and that there is evidence of perpetual penetration. The police now said, how did you get this sperm in your body? Baba Ijesha never slept with you. Even the 7 years, he said khaki This one, that your mommy called him and you recorded him. We didn't see him having sex with you. So, as a 14-year-old, who slept with you and who has the sperm? And the girl said, but that Damola, who have been sleeping with you, but they'll kill you, or the security of the house. Did you tell your mom? She said yes. It turns out that Princess has been told about these two living with her since 2020. And these are the serious and germane parts. This is I must select the part of the case. Don't pick a side only if it is the court of law. Judge whatever the case may be, morally it is wrong. Whether you have something with Princess or you don't have something with her, she called you to your house, and a girl, a daughter, or anybody is giving you attention, and then you fell for it. You are not supposed to do that. And if she's a 14-year-old, you have to go and pay for sexual assault, harassment. Sexual harassment is to buy on Dubai, to buy on lawyer buy, to kiss you. It's sexual harassment. If that is what you pay for it, but enough, you're a 14-year-old, you must pay for it too. That is when they said no. And the worst part of it is that Damola Adekola was arrested and was in the same cell with Babagesha. The security of the house, okay, he ran away. We're expecting that if Lagos State government will charge them to court, ati Babagesha, ati Damola Adekola, ati o admit to she ugbe, tomo accuse of Bobonso. She be accusation of the Babagesha. We should only prove. Then the next thing, they didn't charge the Damola Adekola to court. Because Damola Adekola would prove his case that he never slept with a 14-year-old. To the one young lady. And all these things we are asking, and I asked the government there. Babagesha was Sinufi Mary. He's a senior colleague. He's a good comedian, somebody that I respect. You must give him fair trial. Fair hearing is his fundamental human right. They thought by asking for this, I won't see me. IYABO, don't put me rape apologist. I shall go on pedophile. She be similar to Harry. I shall go. She like one, she boy. She like one, but she fake. I'm do many. She fake one no boy. To fake kiss her. Uber. Let's be sita. To tweet. Eric boy. Don't sorrow sin. Wo lo actress olórí burúkú we do. Che ko ye ko bata sọ̀rọ̀ gba ti simi so. To gbe tweet simi jáde. Wọ́n ní sọ̀rọ̀ nbe yẹn. You will never see them speak. Ọkùnrin tó bá fẹ́ ba ye je tó bá ti kó sí wọn lọ́wọ́ tí ẹ lọ nìyẹn. And we said that until Yokuro, was Babagesha coming to touch the girl? No, he was invited for a movie. Was the girl presented as a soft target beside Babagesha? Yes, you all can see. To the princess for go, Momo Yekuro, Lara Babagesha. And by law, no parent, no teacher should know that there is a likely harm that will come to a child and you will leave the child in that vicinity. Social media is terrible. We are speaking the truth that no matter what is wrong with you or whatever you're trying to achieve, no lawyer, no police officer, no doctor, no judge should approve that a child or a minor should be left in the vicinity of a predator, sexual predator. Only an unfit police officer will want to use a child as a trap to catch somebody. I said nowhere in the world, nowhere. I don't know what's in the protest. That police officer must go to jail. They will only use probably a baiting like age of a girl of my bad potential predator sorrow. And I said, don't do it. It is a criminal offense. Immediately it's not suffer, but even immediately, believe. Before you even set camera, before you put the girl in harm's way, you are duty bound according to the law to report to the police. Listen up, guys. Whether you respect police or you don't respect police, whether police are good or not good, you cannot do the job of police. Immediately you know that a child has been sexually abused, or you are sexually abused as a child, as a minor, or as an adult, report immediately to the police. Even if it is long time, the police will see the best they can make out of it. They can start trailing that person. All you need to do is to follow up. When you write a petition that somebody has sexually abused you when you are 10-year-old, 5-year-old, 13-year-old, report to the police, give the details of that person. Police will go after the person. All you need to do is to follow up. Any progress? The person will not know whether the police are on his or her trail. And will bring on children, you men, start reporting abuses coming from women too. hey little kid àwọn no ko no o ma tin loko lala ẹ mọ̀ sí ha gbogbo yẹn náà pedophiling pattern náà ó ṣe máa fẹ́ pọ̀ wọn kékeré ṣe ọmọ 10 year old ọmọ 12 year old Daniel ko ẹ ló ti tóbi ẹ̀yin gbogbo yẹn náà pedophiling tendency ni àwọn patterns ni nìyẹn. Or you see all these women or dákẹ́ bá ti gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ sí mi jáde bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà jáde sí they don't want him to even express himself. Ṣé gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó wá sọ yẹn ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ní irọ́ ni ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ ni ṣé ẹ̀ ní gbọ́ side tiẹ̀ náà ni. But the same pattern ẹ jẹ́ a lọ sí video end result adé sọ wípé ẹ lè máa fi end video yẹn nìkan judge. The debt we owe every child is protection. Téèyàn bá fún ní voice ṣé gbogbo àwọn tó ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kọ̀ọ̀kan ní Bíọ́lá ti gbé sórí page ẹ̀. She needs to balance it and bring the other person ọ̀yẹ́ ní ẹ̀wá sọ tẹnu yín. Say your own part. Tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà bá bọ́ ọmọ sùn ṣé 3 years ló máa lọ ni. They are not telling you why they are pained. The reason why bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà was even to the opportunity àti rán lọ́wọ́ ni pé when Lagos state government was going to file the charges wọ́n wá pín kélekèle pé kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ ṣe. We will use the power of government. He must be found guilty of one. And if Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà is found guilty of the remaining 4 count charges, to are found guilty of one of the 4, he must go and serve 5 years imprisonment, which is to spend 3 years and 4 months. If not, normally on a good day, case Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà should not even stand in any court of law. On a normal day, because the process, it doesn't have propensity in law. The requisite for all the actions carried out by princess is errored in law. I need that in my parole for now. You now say because you want to cash him, you committed series of crime, want to torture, want to call a thug, want to yashimolon princess. But no way, and no video that princess in no more gay, ni big bang, but Jawale, or to no gay, but she dada, or to parop again, she get little video tell you, nobody get to do a bagisha. Because they don't want to admit that she already staged the thug that would threaten the man to. Tí èyàn bá fi ìyàwó ẹ̀ tó bá fi dẹ̀mí tí ìyàwó ẹ̀ tán mi wọnú lé wọn tí ìyàwó ń sọ pé tẹ́mi náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń bọ́ṣọ pé ó ti fẹ́ kí n bọ́ mo ti bọ́ṣọ mo ti bọ́ pátá tọkọ wá wọlé tó wá ṣí kámẹ́rà lèmi lórí ọ̀kìtẹ̀ ti bọ́ ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì lásán ọkàn bá mi nu bedroom wọn as an actor mi ì lè ever sọ pé it's my right now, it's your wife that invited me, so why you call it tó bá sọ pé I have come to rape that time, rape náà ló máa pè. Kí ni mo lọ ṣe ń bedroom o mama bẹ̀bẹ̀ náà ni ó dá má bínú ayé ló ṣe máa kí ni mo wá ṣe nínú yàrá yẹn báwo táyé ò bá ṣe ní kí ni mo lọ ṣe nínú bedroom ọ̀rẹ́ mi pẹ̀lú ìyàwó ẹ̀. I might not have gone there to rape, I might have been entrapped. Wọ́n lè ti ó lè jẹ́ trap ni but èmi ò lẹ́nu ọ̀rọ̀ àti pé ní trap mọ́ ayé ti ṣe mí ni because kí ló dé tí mi ò gbàgbọ́ mi lọ kí ló dé tí mo lọ ṣe ṣerú ẹ̀ it's antisocial, I have committed a moral offence, I will begin. Tó bá pa mí síbẹ̀ wọ́n pa mí lápàgbé ni kí ni mo lọ ṣe nínú bedroom o tó bá pa mí síbẹ̀ tó bá lóun wọlé òun bá tó rẹ́pù ìyàwó òun ni kí ni ta ló fẹ́ gbẹ̀dí mi jẹ́ tíyàwó bá sọ pé yes ó ń rẹ́pù òun lọ́kọ̀ òun ṣe kamọ́ bẹ̀ tọ́dẹ̀ bá ń wò ó ń bẹ̀ àní ọ̀n ṣáàrù wọlé àgàkà kọ́wá ṣó kámẹ́rà wọ́n rí gómìnà ti wọlé gómìnà ti ń lọ ń bọ́ di ìyàwó wọ́n wá lọ edit bẹ̀yẹn. So all these things I always say, I was never saying that anybody that abused children or a minor should be let go, but how can we continue to glorify organized crime? I only see the mental problem now. So they believe that ọkùnrin ọ̀wé irú wọn yẹn ọ̀fẹ́ destroy ọ̀fẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ gẹ́ oníkọ́ba ọmọ ṣe lè sọ ní pé life imprisonment ẹni tí ò bọ́mọ kọ́kọ́ sùn and ẹ bèrè lọ́wọ́ pé ẹ mọ evidence pé bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà bọ́mọ ẹ̀sùn jáde àbófin kọ́kọ́ kò sí kankan ṣáwà láti sọ pé kí George máa sọ pé kó lọ life imprisonment ṣáwà láti kọ́ máa sentence bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà sí 16 years and they even lied ẹ lọ́wọ́ video princess yẹn. Only they said he should go to prison consecutively. It's a lie. The sentence was to run concurrently. That's the term, language, the term of judge. I will know how to play around it. It was so serious then that with this video, government to come out. How do we explain to the public? Is total nonsense. They set the man up for flirting, and they changed the age of the girl. And we've told them categorically, they show tough. Let's see if Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà will not be suing the Lagos state government, suing Princess, suing IYABO and all of them. Bold enough and move complete CCTV àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ́tí set camera yẹn ẹ kò múlẹ̀ jáde ẹ má mú doctor one full one láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ dópin. And let's see whether it is not an organized crime, whether the girl was not coached for that. And then the whole nonsense, what's all this nonsense? You know what you planned. You prepared the ground, you invited the you did everything. It's pure nonsense. We are saying don't do this. Don't do this whole nonsense. Because there was a camera phone. That is how you establish the truth. Not a side, like my judge in a serious criminal case. It is, you believe the court of law is, let's just hear a side. No, that is not the court of law. On social media, you can fly with a side. I don't like the way my baby shall touch the girl. It's okay. I myself, if that is the only thing I see, I might not like it. I don't even like it. But if it is law, you must establish the full truth, not a side. You think you care about children, you are part of the problem. They are only fooling you with fighting for justice, fighting for human rights. Fake. Wọ́n ní life gidi. Mo fi Ọlọ́run bàbúrà. Ibi tẹ́mi bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ pa law, human rights. Ó jìnà. Má wà l'Amẹ́ríkà, ó sì wà lóyìnbó. Tá bá sọ yẹ kọ́ káyé èèyàn ọmọ ìkéré tí mo ti jà fún. Obìnrin tí mo ti fẹ́ bíbílẹ̀ tí mo ti jà fún. Ṣé sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ máa bọ̀ tán sí? Àwọn sọ pé kèèyàn FABIYI rape òun. Àwọn akẹ́sà wá dákẹ́ mi ní gbé ogun wọn ṣe pé lọ́pẹ́ àbáyé ìwé ìfẹ́ bàgbé. Èwo ni mo ṣe ọdún kìíní ọdún kejì 20-30 years láti dán lòpọ̀. Ìsìn lọ máa sọ pé mo rape máa dákẹ́. Ṣé sí ní wèrè kan máa ṣe sọ fún wa pé bàbá yẹn ṣàárẹ̀ ó rape for many years táwọn industry goes. Àmọ́ àwọn tó níwà burúkú yẹn. Àmọ́ àwọn oníkálukú ní industry wa yẹn àmọ̀ wa ara wa. Àmọ́ àwọn tó yẹ pé wọ́n lè parọ́ kòkù jí kòkù òkú lè ní cane leg. Mo lè bá dárúkọ gan. Bí mo ya wèrè dé bí mo fẹ́ pé me I no dey fear anybody. Ogun lè bá lọ ṣe. Àmọ́ àwọn tó yẹ pé fake life. Àmọ́ àwọn tó yẹ pé ẹ̀kẹ́ ìbú ni láàrin wa. Kò sẹ́ni tí ó lè bu àtàgbàlagbà ṣáàdá sí lára má jẹ́ kó àmọ́ àwọn tó jẹ́ pé anybody tó bá ní problem they are ready to be there àdàbà àwọn tó jẹ́ pé they want to support anybody wọn ò fẹ́ lọ́ta kankan kí lè ṣe àbí fẹ́ lọ support kí lè ṣe wọn ò fẹ́ ní wà bí kankan àmọ́ àwọn tó jẹ́ pé tó bá dẹ̀ rí okó yìí báyìí wọ́n lè dóko wèrè wọ́n ṣe dóko PDP lọ́ndọ̀ tó APC. Ondo tabga tobariti NRC go won le do amo won la so kila mbaka kiyan ko wa woru ebe susun I'm carrying the emblem of human rights ko se ko be human rights ya be lady won se o go and look at all of us human rights activists. I am one of those that have got strong structures. Tí mi de shilo mi ṣagbára lo mi ṣe anything lo ẹ lọ dárúkọ ẹ kọ pé ogun ajáde kẹwàá àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn ìwà lẹ́yìn kankan well because before you can fight for human rights you need proper structures. Mo mọ èèyàn tó yẹ pé tó bá fìyà jẹ mí tó bá ṣe fìyà jẹ mí tán yẹn bóyá ọlọ́pàá ni ẹ bóyá politician ni ẹ ìyà yẹn bí tó máa ń dì sí nìyẹn ní tó máa jẹ lẹ́yìn yẹn lórí àwọn ọmọdọ́mọ yẹn mo mọ bí tó lè fìyà yẹn sí. Torture me. But do whatever you want to do. I will go out of this place. When I get there, what is going on? Only report to my phone. Who is the person? Bye. No problem. Shemiti, the kind of honor I received because I was decorated as a human rights ambassador inside the American embassy. Shemi yeni mama mari kakiri mama ni doti. So ba nshani fini. Iru yabo yen. Ó fẹ́ travel kó fẹ́ lọ London ní 2009 ó ṣe fẹ́ travel 2008 èmi tí mo báyìí ní kò ṣe báyìí nínú Femina ọ̀rọ̀ wá ṣẹlẹ̀ mò ń jà fún ọmọ gẹ́ yẹn mò ń jà fún right bàbá ìjẹsà right ọmọ gẹ́ yẹn ó ní tó o bá ṣọ́ra ní gẹ́ o travel mọ́ èmi ìgbẹ́ ò léegun èwo nu yín ló fẹ́ travel tí èmi ní put life ẹ̀ pé ó fẹ́ travel lọ lóyìnbó tí lálàá pẹ́ bá ìní 4-5 years lèmi tí ń travel kẹ́tọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lálàá pẹ́ fẹ́ travel. I am now standing on the temple of justice. Ó involve Lagos state government, ó involve ọlọ́pàá. Mo kàn sọ ọ̀tọ̀ tèmi ni. ọlọ́pàá threaten me yóò ìsọ̀tọ̀ ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀yin lẹ́mọ̀ ọlọ́pàá tẹ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ tẹ̀ fẹ́ káwọn yẹn bá yín sòtọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin lẹ́ believe when you are a police officer you are above public criticism. They believe policing is overall. They can't make mistakes. They can't get correction from police. And they will still want to tell you we are police officers. You are policing who? Can you police without the cooperation of the public? Gbogbo wọn ò bọ́ta sọ, ìyàbọ̀ yóò pe princess. Let's be honest with ourselves. If you are a true complainant, why didn't you go and complain about Damola Adekola and your security as at 2020? October, November, December, January, February, March, until April. And then, for crying out loud, we can continue to... We might think YOMI is trying to help Baba Ijesha, but can we just listen to what the guy is saying? He never said that they should not prosecute Baba Ijesha. He's only saying that you are committing parental negligence. You have abused the rights of the girl. And Baba Ijesha, that you are saying they should not grant him bail. He has right to bail. If the police realize that they have evidence that he actually defiled the girl, and they said, okay, we are not releasing him, granting him bail, we want to get extension, they will get the extension. What is my own with what people are doing? I'm only speaking human. I said nobody spoke to me. Lord, case Mohbad, message me. Mohbad is dead though. Can you call? Won't you fight for him? They will send you DM. Some people will send you WhatsApp message. The same way they send to me in Baba Ijesha stuff. Is it because it's your colleague you are not talking? Our company is where they want to hear from you. You are not in human rights then, so nobody will come for you. I am a human rights ambassador with US Embassy. I have done a human rights summit. I have a human rights NGO. They will want to see, are you being biased? And I came out and said, no, I am not being biased. Let's allow the police to do their job. That we colleagues don't be quick to condemn this man. This report is too heavy. And then they said there is a video and he has confessed to it within 24 hours. No, let's be calm. It's dangerous. Don't forget that the same thing happened to Baba Swe. I only draw the comparison because they are both comedian, and Baba Swe was already, handicapped, polyneumo. Initially, he was using crutches, using walking stick. But at that point, at that time, so I now look at and say, has he gotten to this stage? Am I a party condemn you? Now today, show me in the judgment, or show me one single evidence that Baba Ijesha slept with that girl, whether when she was 7 or whether when she was 14. Show me where, because Lagos State government went to court against Baba Ijesha. They profiled life imprisonment and a separate 16 years. That is the right thing to do. Government must react quickly. I'm grateful to Lagos State government for reacting quickly. But do they allow the complete justice to take its course? Were they selective? What is the rationale? Damola Adekola, charge the princess. To buy the cocoa, Kaombe, we only CCTV nule, to teach Shetele, Oko Kamo is a different ballgame. But she prepared and planned the whole video. The only thing that is needed is for the girl to stretch Baba Ijesha until he breaks his limit. Only Bobby Mama said, this is see all this sorrow, you come by my leg. They want, but I'll be close shots. She will see your money and definitely. Anybody can be stretched. Why would you close everything when you are stretching? You will see a boy at an obvious child. Life imprisonment. If it was a 7-year-old, 5-year-old, you are not supposed to be sexually attractive to a child. And then, okay, if despite the fact that this girl is having features of an adult, what's in this sex, you coached her to play that part. If she's truly 14, prove it to Baba Ijesha that she touched the 14, so that she will understand. Till date, nowhere they have proved the age. But he's a pedophile, he's a kidney. And look at, even when I spoke, the commissioner came out. When he went to appeal, they set aside. What is set aside? He was found innocent. Sexual harassment. The honest truth that you must pass to the entire world. There is nowhere Baba Ijesha was found guilty of having sex or using khaki to defile that girl. Another truth is that Because after Babajisha was arrested, they took the girl and ran a test. One no check Princess Neni, the reason why I set him up was because I believe and I am trying to establish that he did it when the girl was 7. Where are your conscience that you just stretch this emotional stuff? And I said, you only set him up with flirting and you change the age of that girl. If it is the true age of the girl, I expect Lagos State government and Princess to prove to the judge that this, but they were using power to force that government does not lose in their own case. I want the job at tele, I shot the video here, public, and they were able to find a way to say, life imprisonment. Only my 16 years. Don't spend little time. Just let's keep you there for a little while. That is the honest truth of GBENA. That's why the man was going to spend 3 years and come out, because they realized that what's the point of punishing this man? Because the right to sexual feelings. The guy is a 19-year-old or 18 years old. But what she do video, no crime has been committed. Under the law, if it is a court of law, and that because the girl accepted. If she's 18, the only reason why they said Babajisha was guilty of sexual harassment is that they maintained that the girl is 14. So whether the girl accepted or not, if you touch anybody below 18, even if the person is accepted, if the entire family of the girl know that you people are dating, you have committed a crime. You have, it's even defilement. To get 22-year-old, to buy almost 16-year-old, 17-year-old in Nigeria, in Lagos State, rape you, to buy a girlfriend. Oh, Baba, I don't fly in love letter. I don't fly in card. I love her. If you sleep with her, even if the parents knew that you put a boyfriend and girlfriend, even if the guy says, don't touch him, if a complaint comes out and you are 21-year-old, you are 20-year-old, and you have sex with a 17-year-old in Lagos State, it's rape. Even whether you people are boyfriend and girlfriend. That is what majority do not know. Because they don't want to understand the law. They just want to condemn somebody. So that is the law we are explaining. That is the position of the law. 16 to 16, Oga goes in. In UK, in America, let me say 98% of the states or 99% of the states in America, a 16-year-old can have sex with somebody of 60 years old. If they are set, no crime has been committed. In UK, if you are 40-year-old and you sleep with somebody who is 17, 16-year-old and it's consensual, no force, no crime has been committed. So whether Ola what don't record the commit a crime because you are intervening into what does not concern you. Why do you record them in their private moments? So what we are trying to explain is that if you want him to know that he is actually a sex offender and then he committed a crime, Lagos State government should be honest enough to establish the true age of the girl. That's why I said most of the states in America. No, age of sexual consent in UK is 16 years old. Go and read your law. So just even Google it on your phone. Just that same phone. What is the age of sexual consent in the United Kingdom? Simple. And then come back and write after you read. Don't go quiet after you've seen the truth. So it's very simple and understanding. So direct. So it's important. You must know the law before you can be able to enforce the law. Not all police officers know the law. That's why they rely on the Ministry of Justice to interpret the law for them. That's why they say, oh yeah, file the case and send to DPP, because we don't understand what the law says. Because most of the laws in the states, most of the police officers don't even know them. Even some real new laws, they don't know. Because if the Labour Assembly, they just enact a new law, a police officer that was transferred, or even police officer that has been there, they might not know what the law says, the current law. So they cannot be able to understand what are we going to be filing as charges. That is why the court will say, we don't know, because they make laws all the time. They might just enact a new law yesterday, or they enact a new law 7 days ago, and somebody committed a crime 4 days ago. So it might not be a crime 6 months ago, but it might have been a crime 4 days ago, and you just committed a crime. So before you can say you want to write your charges and file, go send to the DPP, Ministry of Justice. Because most of people don't know why they always duplicate file and sent to the DPP. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá ti gba evidence. The question tá wọ́n béèrè ni pé ṣé nínú case file yẹn ṣé the Lagos State Ministry of Justice ṣé wọ́n rí pé number one, there is no evidence of age of that girl, and she is not a child, she is a minor, and the law states that before you can convict anybody of sexually harassing or abusing a minor, the age must be substantiated. It's the law in Lagos State. Okay, you have seen it. It's a 16 in the UK. I don't just go on already out. If when you say that, they will say you are watching out. It's the law. Only say okay, that today man ja fun case to that one YABO yen. Talk on Shonuwa because they want to destroy your name to build their own name. Talk of anybody, ategun of anybody to ba ti dúró anyhow. So my own advocacy then was not on the video end result. If the girl eventually best certificate as at the time I'm 18 years old, I'm 19, I will look stupid now. Wait, what is this? That is why the court is there. Establish the law. That's why we have the police. But let me charge your court. Tell the evidence of age when the person is a minor. She boy your coffee best certificate evidence, Tony. They would have asked princess, bring the best certificate. Give us a copy. So that we can file it and send to the DPP. DPP I'm only 14. Nínú statement tí wọ́n mọ́ kọ ní Sabo police station, ó pé 14. Nínú statement tó kọ ní Sabo Panti, ó kọ 15. It's Lagos State government, not one you born on court. She might have made a mistake. You know, the time they interview her then is different from the time they interview her. Why can't you just bring the best certificate of the girl? Shebi Nigeria Population Commission ti wà láyé ìgbà yẹn. Ibi tó ti yọ best certificate ọmọ yẹn máa jà báyìí ni. The upper form, the other flip C, ó máa wà nílẹ̀. The same serial number tó wà lórí certificate princess Mamuwa. Abalo one local government. There's a quite busy leko. How do I compare? To buy a committee forgery. Then the lawyers will say, she not only kept the pedophile when you know you used an adult to set him up. So they refused, including with Lagos, they refused to touch the age. They refused to bring the Adekola to court. That guy is still working free now. I now question the YABO, OJO and Princess Money. I'm suing you to the court of conscience. But challenging, if truly you are fighting for children, now ask Lagos State government to go and try Damola Adekola. They should be able to court lane. All of filing case on the FSI by judgment. Call rule the book screaming of 250 million. Be me tell me to possible. Olórí burúkú máa ṣàǹfààní. Èmi mọ̀ pé wèrè gidi bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Èmi tó yẹ kí ti sú ẹ̀ tipẹ́. Mo ń rò pé tó ló fún mi lówó. Mo kàn fẹ́ máa stay lawyer. Mo ya fa ogbó. Iye wèrè mo ya fa ya pé ọpẹ́ o. Mo sì mi kò lè sọ̀rọ̀ sí mọ́. Mo ti ṣàpọ́nlé mo ti pọ́nlé. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó pé kí ló ṣé mo fọ́ fún ni. Mo kàn báyìí pé ó ṣe dáadáa sí mi. Mo ní problem níbẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀ ńgbà yẹn. Fún àwọn sílé mi. Ó fún mi lówó. Mo fẹ́ sí wọn sí mi. Ó fún mi lówó. Ó pè mí sí fíìmù. Èmi ò sọ ìtẹ́ mi ṣe fún. Èyí tó ń ṣe lè máa tẹ́yàn máa ṣe fẹ́ mi lè máa sọ. But I need to stay. Màmá lọ gbẹ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ lọ sí kóòtù. Wọ́n ti gbé sáànì fún mi. Wọ́n pè mí lọ sí Abuja. Sue this woman. Mo ò ṣe. Àmì ló wá gbé mi. Ló fún mi sínú plane ló fún mi. Ló bá mi ṣe body pass bí. Mo dá Abuja mi náà lórí sí fún mi. Wọ́n fún mi lówó wọ́n fún mi gbogbo ẹ̀. Mo ní no, I won't sue Iyabo. They presented me a senior advocate that Dawoshi Kangba. They asked, now bring everything right. We want to sue that Iyabo, sir. I'll get back to you, sir. She's my colleague and she's been good to me before. And I want to believe that but my own side of it. All the way I'm first support Baba Gesha. We are very young. But look at the way she went after me. She many one more for Dio Moyan. She many Baba Gesha. Abi Mojo Moshe Baba Gesha. She for human rights. I'm a voice. I'm an authority in that field. But because they can easily destroy anybody with you people on social media, and then you fly with false knowledge. Even when they were sentenced by Bagisha, Bosombe, where they told me, on social media. Yomi, so to change your answer, but I still meant to go and look at that video. Money, yes, FABIYI has got right to appeal this case, and he will appeal. They don't want me to say it when he could do. Right here, they let him appeal, and he appealed, and they removed 2 charges again. And they removed it from his stuff. The only make it off is because they've already stretched the charges. In their conscience, that there's no evidence, nothing for it. They removed everything. So your pamphlet that you used in sending the man to jail, and you let stretch here, if batty again, could the so called for bringing law to go show my law. Even to get minor no more, and you never put minor on it, but ever come to go, ever put in doko, and if you lower any time of man is like obeying, if a batty again on. He was like, okay, to go to boy. And the batty, and the batty again, and you mock with minor on it, and the let's set here up to to buy a rapist in the air, she wow, 22-year-old, but you're my galon. You wanted him to look like a criminal, let's say from 16-year-old, 14, like 14. To buy a pedophile, like almost 5-year-old, like a to buy a rapist, like she for bringing to Guyon. You were princess, she be rapist, like you should have left you and Baba Gisha look, come and we are what would have been why? Tell me, oh, fellow Rania, oh, the YABO, Joko, Sibak, but I couldn't lie about. And after YABO, I know better, on you, but they're pulling about while that is a little bit. Emma Sheka, Emma social media, if truly he was a rapist, kilometer Fiomo 20 Agbalagba, kilometer Shomo to get 14, only half is so I will need common sense. You were princess to oversee only DSTV, oversee only DSTV. So Baba Gisha will be so foolish. I was at a very rape or see what year then book, but there's no see. She oversee on the bus stop only DSTV. Because you're more year only DSTV. Oh, the second year no get to Rolali unili. So a mere rapist, I was soon. I was got on my long. About your bath me. So interest in me. My galon, my yapate, year then book, year them up on the volleyball. Better than Baba she useless to. I hate it. It can't come out social media amplify or bureaucratic attention. Find it ever fly by any. A push your bureaucratic. When you want us to join you in condemning the end results, don't do it. Anybody to buy Yahweh, to buy a copy, continue our process here, and one agari. And a jello for Baba Gisha in a set, you don't be done, you don't be London, don't be America, don't be Canada, and don't wait, don't present to the shall be presented to in London. You I shall be already shy. I could do it anyway. Could say, oh, sorry for you. No, I not do it. I could try you, but it's right now. What president is right? The battery really non pedophile. If of your mother, can I set the camera? Okay, but yeah, shoot a moyaton in Nigeria to America. Anyone, Nigeria, Pantini, our children in America, let's you can use that age and. So toro ogbomotiyan ro bomo ge yan won do Baba Gisha lojo kuro lati le ni o to ba ni Baba Gisha o ma shake o wa joko ti Baba Gisha o pa yan aso ọmọ so won ko mi je ni ti o te kuro legbe mi o pa kuro mi anjonu lobo ojúbọ o sani e mo ye ko ton ki bo be ton oh, tó bá ti rí obìnrin tó fún ẹ sá ó lè wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ìyàwó ẹ báyìí kí ìyàwó ẹ fún ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ kó fún sign kó dẹ̀ fi bára wọn sùn tí wọ́n tó dẹ̀ ní ìyàwó onímọ̀ kan fúnra wọn sign tọkùnrin ẹ̀dẹ̀ wà ní òkè yé tí wọ́n bẹ bá jáde lọ́wọ́ àwọn sign fún wọn lọ́wọ́ kan because it is olórí burúkú làwọn angẹ́lì tó create òbò àti okó kàmá bára wọn sùn oníṣekúṣe làwọn angẹ́lì yẹn wọn kọ́ fẹ́ kó báyọ̀ ni you can be tempted if you know pé o fẹ́ mú Baba Gisha pé pedophile ni fẹ́ ọmọ ọdún 5 tó sọ pé ọmọ ọdún 7 tí gẹ́ wà ló máa fi dẹ́ tó bá dẹ̀ kó fẹ́ mú pé rapist ni ẹ fi àgbàlagbà sínú ilé pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ká mọ̀ pé rape la fẹ́ accuse ẹ̀ fún tó bá dẹ̀ pé ó fọwọ́ kọ ọmọ ọdún 5 àmọ̀ pé pedophile ni but ẹ wá fi ọmọ tó yẹ pé ẹ fi sáà ẹ̀yin lọ́mọ yìí gí ẹ o wà ló fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá ó fọwọ́ kọ ọmọ kékeré ó wá mú ọmọ tó jẹ́ pé she has the features ẹwọ́n ọmọ yẹn bó ṣe rí gọ́mọ̀lẹ̀ ọmọ dẹ̀ ti ń dóko where in the law will you go scot-free with such judgment for using a specimen that is sexually active You know, shaking it. Oh, the fee, and just doko, coffee bad there. Because I want to see if it's going to touch the innocent girl. That's no longer an innocent girl. What you more she suffering? What you more beauty tasty? Tell my friend, consumer, cause she will. Anybody is like, come. What's the love about you straight in? Irú wa ka burúkú orí burúkú wo nìyẹn. Ẹ wá pọ̀ tilẹ̀. Ó ṣe kí, ó ṣe la. Ṣé ó la? Ẹ wo ẹ kó ṣì wèrè kúrò. Ẹ kàn encourage tí ò dáa ni gbogbo yín tẹ máa ń ba yá àwọn ọkọ yín jẹ́. Àwọn àbúrò ọkọ yín tẹ fi parọ́ mọ́ ọkọ yín tẹ fi hold wọn to ransom. Ẹ máa fọmọ dẹ̀yàn. Ẹ má fọmọ kékeré dẹ̀yàn. Let crime happen naturally and forestall it. And if you know a crime is going to happen, any abuse on children, protect that child. Not that you say mo fẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Mo fẹ́ kí n mọ̀ bóyá máa tọ́ bójú o ara ẹ̀ bóyá máa jákọ́ mú ẹ. You want an innocent child or minor to suffer trauma, to suffer PTSD because you want to gather evidence. Everybody can encourage nonsense. Check around you. And you cannot blame the government of Lagos State. They did the best they can. Officer, child wa mbẹ yẹn. Òun lára ṣe ń ta wọ́n pé I don't know. Ládùúrú ariwo ta pa yẹn. How come he came out after 3 years? That's how government works. How come? If truly he slept with a child and is convicted for sleeping with a child, he will let it body anywhere. Okay, I got after 3 years. So she will be amnesty. And they will be going around. He has served his sentence. He has served his sentence. Papa Gisha came out and said, you IYABO, you entrusted your children with him. Okay. Didn't you come out and tell us that you always send your children to Naira Marley's house? She baited on him, you know. Is that baiting too? But when you want to speak about Naira Marley, you use your children and say you send them. Oh, Naira Marley go fagboni. Oh, the boy man be bon lala. So when you were asking your children, sending your children there, it's not baiting. It's parental growth. That is nurturing the children the right way. But when it comes to, you can't be doing all of this. You can't be doing all of this. Nobody forced you to use your children as that example. And you used to send your children there, and that you used to lace your children's drink and food with drugs. I'm still waiting for the day you file a criminal petition against Naira Marley, and that will be investigated, and your children will go and testify. It's important. That is how you fight for your children. That is how you show that, oh, you care about these children, you raise them well. I mean, it's not the same children that you are allowed to be going to strippers club as a 17 to 18 years or 18-year-old, or whatever, 18-year-old. Ọmọ tó ti ní site fún strippers club as 18. Ìgbà alábà tó ti kó tó ti fọ́ bully ẹ̀ gan bọ̀. So if you can ask your children to go to Naira Marley, who is in the music industry, how much more Baba Jesha na Mukari gbogbo ilẹ̀ ẹjọ́ wa papọ̀ náà. Ẹjọ́ wa kúrò lórí ẹjọ́ kọ́mọ olùbọ̀ ń gbà yẹn. So it's quite funny. Ọlọ́mọ jàrí náà kànga. Ọlọ́mọ jà dàmú. So nobody should feel bad that the man is coming out to express himself. It's terrible. Nigeria needs to grow. We need to do more. So let's continue to lend our voices. Me, I will always speak the truth and stand by what is right. I will always stand by what is right. Okay, somebody said, all because was because they mentioned is Anjoya we get cover. And your orúkọ tí wọ́n lọ́wọ́ kó dání. Even naturally, even go, let's be honest with ourselves. Oh yeah, ni gbogbo kó ṣòkò ẹ̀ gbogbo ya Ghana. at that time, there was no arrest of Babagesha if the police were not intervening. If Yabo was the only person to kokori, no arrest is being made. It's enough for you to scream out and say, even what for policy. As at the time I issued my first statement, then me more princess in your so. Kokosi, no regard for ourselves. People lack respect. I can talk to this person and now he must not respond back. So she be YOMI. Ibinu ya movie shock yabo yen. Ngba ti mo gbọ́ pé àbí wo ọmọ baba suwe ko. Ẹni polo kono ma gbeyan dada ko gbeyan ga ndi seyan teyan ba se kono ma jẹ́ keyan dèrò ẹ̀yìn ma ni. Kiru won yen kiru yabo. Ko ma ni àbí mi ọmọ baba suwe ko. Irú àwọn tó lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Irú àwọn Madam Shage, Alhaji Nka Quadri, àwọn ọ̀gá yẹn. Igi ẹni mo wá ìpé ìwọ Ọlọ́run. I need to respond in a way to my mú dáadáa. This must not pass by. She sat in front of 6 million followers and reduced me to rubbles. Name that I've been building. Money, ṣé tó rọ́mọ ìtì ó ti àwọn tí ẹ mọ̀ pé léyìn ẹgbà ẹ̀ mi ò kàn ṣe mọ́gẹ́jì Nàìjíríà gbà ẹ̀ torí gbogbo àyè gbọ́ta máa ń gbọ́ ìsílẹ̀ àkọ́kọ́ lé ẹ̀ fúl ọkùnrin alílẹ̀ kan òye yín kan mú sọ wọ́n yìí sí ti lo táìmù ẹ̀ tán mo ní kí ni mo gbọ́ rádaràdà ṣe ni no, this one cannot pass. Not even when a lot of people were calling me then. No, God, God. Said I will pass the message. I want to come up with monopoly at my sort of shaka. You really might be obeying. I want to get to you see no what I don't feel by Mokomogi, me or I will. As it not terror is Lorio. As you Musari coin anybody at it alone, you know, to shop come axi. Wait to cock Benny. Tọ́lá àwọn obìnrin tó bá ti lẹ́nu tó gbé wéètì báyìí gbogbo náà wọn máa gbọ̀ báyìí náà máa wẹ́ẹ̀tì lórí ìjókòó ni mo dúpẹ́ lọ́lọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe wà ní sìn mo fẹ́ sáré ní 1 pack ká ní mo ṣe wà ní sìn